Hello everyone, I'm Xiaogang. This record is about how to optimize the experience of a single shot. For the experience, we integrated the latest particle example project released by Unreal Engine. The name of this project is NiagaraExamplesPack. We have already introduced the content of this particle project in other videos. Now we directly import the project. For convenience of use, the particles are placed under the content directory. We temporarily do not transplant it into the Plackcon. Avoid placing too many blueprint assets together. Transplanting it in is also possible, and we can handle it later. Here we need to think about how to manage the assets. This is the example level. You can see all the particle effects in other videos. Now demonstrating the integration results. Because we need to use the Lyra architecture and at the same time use gas to coil these particles, we need to consider the network situation. The example project is single player. If you switch it to network mode, there may be some issues. You can see the current shooting situation. The handgun shooting detection has switched from raycasting to physical bullets. The shooting effect has been significantly improved. We still can't defeat this ghost. There is an issue when saving. You can see in the code section we have made a mark. We'll temporarily not handle it. This has a plan to implement an autosave. There is a timing issue, so we'll temporarily not process it. The issue is that when there are multiple game instances, we need to consider different players' save files and the order of memory release. Next, we'll continue demonstrating the content being integrated. Firstly, regarding this material, it shoots at different objects, generating different shooting effects. Lyra itself also includes some shooting effects. When integrating, we chose to use the latest particle pack. Okay, sake, here are some other facts. This effect is similar to an enchantment. Okay, pickup effect. Weapon effect. Tesla coil. These contents currently do not have any game effects. For example, damage effects, buffs or debuffs. When we link them, the effects will be great. We have also done some other work. For example, in the editor settings, we can open more debug rays. Turn on the show must hit position option. We can see more rays. These are all rays used to assist in shooting. How do these rays work? You can see this blue line. It is actually extended from the muzzle. The red circle is the position detected by the mouse. The green line points from the muzzle to the red circle. Currently no valid object. We should not shoot here. Once we select a valid object, these two rays should be able to remain basically aligned. You can see they are basically aligned. The reason they are not aligned could be that the character itself has an animation that causes shaking. Turn off our debug rays. Switch to third person. We'll first use the rifle for demonstration. We haven't completed all the modifications yet. The effect of the weapon enchantment is now more pronounced. This video demonstration concludes here.